Bathroom layout ideas and dimensions. Looking for bathroom layout ideas for your new home or renovation project? In this video, we'll explore a variety of bathroom floor plan layouts, from simple space-saving designs to large luxury owner suite bathrooms. We'll also cover recommended dimensions and clearances to help you create a bathroom that's both functional and comfortable. Let's start with the most basic layouts and work our way up to larger custom designs. 1. Basic bathroom layout. The most common full bathroom layout places the vanity, toilet, and tub or shower along one wall. Typical dimensions. Bathroom width, 7 feet 6 inches. Standard tub, 30 inches by 60 inches. Toilet clearance, minimum 30 inches width. Vanity, 30 inches wide. This compact arrangement efficiently fits all essential fixtures while maintaining comfortable circulation space. If you have a little extra room, increasing the bathroom width to 8 feet 0 inches allows for a larger 36-inch vanity and improved usability. Recommended size, 5 feet by 8 feet. 2. Large hall bathroom. For households with multiple children, separating the vanity from the toilet and tub area can make the bathroom more practical during busy mornings. Typical features: separate vanity zone, enclosed toilet and tub area, increased privacy, multiple users at the same time. Suggested dimensions: overall bathroom size 9 feet wide by 5 feet deep. Bathtub area 5 feet bathtub size, 30 inches by 60 inches. Double vanity width 48 inches. Toilet space located between the tub and vanity partition. This layout allows one person to use the sink while another uses the shower or toilet. If you want a large vanity or a little more clearance behind the vanity, you can do something like this. The shower lets you use a standard 60-inch shower or tub and can create a useful nook in the adjacent room. Typical dimensions: overall size 9 feet 6 inches by 6 feet 4 inches. Total area approximately 60 square feet. Vanity 42 inches wide. Bathtub 36 inches by 60 inches. Toilet standard center placement. Entry side swing. 3. FHA accessible bathroom layout. Accessible bathrooms provide additional maneuvering space and are ideal for aging-in-place design. FHA layout. This compact accessible design can fit within approximately quick dimensions: overall bathroom 9 feet 4 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. Bathtub 30 inches by 60 inches. Vanity 48 inches wide. Toilet center position. Total area approximately 51 square feet. Door inward swing entry. FHA layout. A slightly larger version that offers greater flexibility and comfort. Recommended clearances: overall bathroom size 6 feet 10 inches wide by 7 feet 9 inches deep. Bathtub size 30 inches by 60 inches. Vanity width 48 inches wide. Toilet space located in the upper right corner beside the vanity. Entry door approximately 24 to 30 inches wide. Bathroom type: full bathroom with a single vanity, toilet, and standard bathtub. These layouts provide better accessibility without significantly increasing the room size. 4. Standard owner suite bathroom. Moving into larger homes, the owner suite bathroom often includes separate zones for bathing, grooming, and storage. Typical features: double vanity, large shower, private toilet room. Typical dimensions: overall bathroom size 11 feet wide by 6 feet deep. Shower area 3 feet 0 inches by 6 feet 0 inches. Vanity area 5 feet 0 inches by 3 feet 0 inches. Toilet area 3 feet 0 inches by 6 feet 0 inches. Fixture sizes: shower size 36 inches by 72 inches. Double vanity width 60 inches wide. Entry doors: 2 inward swinging doors providing access to the vanity area and toilet compartment. Bathroom layout: 3-zone design consisting of a shower area, central double vanity, and separate toilet compartment. A dividing wall between the shower and vanity can provide privacy while also creating convenient locations for switches and outlets. 5. Owner suite with walk-through closet. A popular luxury design places the bathroom beyond the walk-in closet. Benefits: efficient use of space, direct access from bedroom, larger dressing area, typical dimensions. Overall bathroom size: 15 feet 3 inches wide by 6 feet 0 inches deep. Shower area: 4 feet 6 inches. Vanity area: 7 feet 6 inches. Toilet area: 3 feet 3 inches. Fixture sizes: shower size 54 inches by 72 inches. Double vanity width 60 inches total, 2 30-inch vanities. Individual vanity size 30 inches. Toilet space located in a dedicated compartment on the right side of the bathroom center walkway, positioned between the two vanities, providing direct access to the shower and toilet areas. Entry door located on the bottom right side, opening into the toilet compartment. Bathroom layout features a large shower, dual single sink vanities, and a separate toilet compartment. Some homeowners prefer an additional door between the closet and bathroom for increased privacy. Here's a slightly different layout of a similar bathroom. 6. Large luxury bathroom. As the bathroom footprint increases, the layout becomes more focused on comfort and relaxation. Common features: oversized shower, double vanity, freestanding tub, separate toilet room. Typical dimensions: overall bathroom size 15 feet 1 inch wide by 15 feet 4 inches deep. Double vanity width 84 inches. Vanity configuration: double sink vanity with 2 basins. Toilet room: private enclosed water closet with its own entry door. Bathtub type: freestanding soaking tub centered within the bathing space. Bathroom layout features an open vanity area, a private toilet room, and a dedicated bathing room with a freestanding tub. These layouts create a spa-like atmosphere while maintaining excellent functionality. 7. Shower room concept. Instead of a traditional shower enclosure, some luxury bathrooms feature a dedicated shower room. Features: open walk-in shower, wet room design, large walk-in closet, freestanding soaking tub, private toilet room. Typical dimensions: overall bathroom size 14 feet 6 inches wide by 12 feet deep. Upper vanity and tub zone 14 feet 6 inches by 7 feet. Lower shower and toilet zone 14 feet 6 inches by 5 feet. Dressing/closet area 14 feet 6 inches by 7 feet 3 inches. Here's another bathroom design, and this one is super spacious. One of the standout features is the shower placed right behind the vanity. It's a clever layout that creates distinct zones while keeping the bathroom feeling open, modern, and functional. This design provides a modern, high-end appearance and improves accessibility. Proper clearances make the bathroom feel larger and more comfortable, even when working within a compact footprint. Whether you're designing a compact hall bathroom, an accessible bathroom, or a luxury owner suite, the key is balancing functionality, comfort, and efficient use of space. Hopefully, these bathroom layout ideas and dimensions help you plan the perfect bathroom for your next project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which bathroom layout is your favorite.